Kickstands are up and engines are hot.
You know, we're a group full of recovery people who want to help other people find recovery, because we know what the misery is like.
Known as the Grateful Few, these bikers have quite a few to be grateful for, like simply having the gift of life.
In 1997, I overdosed on, I assume what was fentanyl. I really don't know. The nurse, you know, she said, well, you flatlined 3 times. We've had to bring you back.
More than 25 years later, John Siders now drives, carrying with him the drug that saved his life.
Somebody will have another chance at life because of what we're doing.
The Grateful Few rides the Georgia highways year-round, delivering Narcan by the boxes, addressing the increase of opioid-related deaths in the state.
I'm able to do something different, you know, that's not a drain on society, because that's what I used to be.
An opioid overdose can turn fatal in just 6 minutes, but Narcan, given through a nasal spray, reverses the effects and restores breathing. Without Narcan, Shelly Siders could not bike with her husband today.
I'm really grateful that his life was saved by Narcan, because we met in recovery.
As the chief of the group, John Langston packs box after box.
The need is there and it's growing.
Growing to 250 boxes delivered this year, riding past last year's total of 200. But the boxes, each containing 2 doses of Narcan, aren't just found on the roads. This box right here sits on the front porch at Reboot Jackson, a recovering community organization here in Jefferson. The Grateful Few Riding Club and Reboot both unite in delivering Narcan, opening up the door, giving people a second chance at life.
We've all rose from the ashes, you know, and this is where we are today.
Today, Langston stands at Reboot Jackson, the RCO he co-founded with one mission.
We're making people see that overdose deaths are real and that this will save people's lives.
And making sure Narcan gets into the hands of those who are on the front line.
It should be widely available. It isn't necessarily so. Any effort we can take to keep people safe, healthy, and alive is a good one.
Efforts including expanding access, not just to law enforcement.
We can expand this to licensed professional counselors and social workers, public health practitioners.
Anything to provide a second chance at life.
Does it equal recovery? No. But when you're dead, you're not going to recover.
Recovery. It's the reason this group rides clean and free.
Narcan's not the most important thing to me. What the most important thing to me is the chance that somebody else has to find recovery.
Yeah.
Returning the favor, 1 box at a time. In Jackson County, Sydney Hood, Grady Newsource.